In this video, I'm going to attempt to fix my friend's old tablet. This is an Alcatel 3T model, which I've never heard of. Nevertheless, I'm going to poke around and see how to fix it. And the problem with the tablet is that it powers on, but nothing shows on the display. There were a few videos out there suggesting to press the power button and the up and down volume at the same time for a few seconds, but that didn't work for me. Another video suggested to press the reset button, but this particular model doesn't have one. And another video suggested to reset the power cable, and I'm going to try to do that. Big disclaimer though, this is not a tutorial on how to fix your tablet, so I take no responsibility if you damage your tablet or get hurt in the process. I'm going to see if I can remove this ribbon and see what that does. I don't even know if that's a battery cable, but I'm going to see. That's it. So this is the moment of truth, and if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Ooh. Oh my, we see something here. We didn't see this before. Oh wow, so maybe just by resetting this cable did the trick.